It's Amazon Prime Deal Days, and I've got the best Amazon deals for you, 50% off or better. Let's get started. Everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. It's time for Amazon Big Deal Days, Amazon Prime Big Deal Days. And by the time you're watching this video, the deals have probably already began, but there are some deals that are already available. So we're going to get started. We've got a lot to cover. This video is only items that are 50% off or better. So we're only getting the best deals for you, and you don't have to go look for them. I'm already doing the work for you. So let's dive in and get started here. All right, so we are on Amazon.com. You can go to the link down in the description down below. That'll take you exactly where we're at here on the page right now. And deals, these are all deals up to 50% off up here. We're going to scroll down a little bit here. We're going to talk about all device deals. So these are going to be 50% to 80% off. And you see right off the bat here, we see numerous security systems, different types of things. And you can see quite a few of the Blink Outdoor 4 cameras are on sale. You can see these here, 66% off, 62% off, 60% off. Here's a Ring battery doorbell plus the Ring floodlight camera for 50% off. Let's see here, Blink video doorbell camera as well for 50% off. Okay, now let's talk about tablets. Maybe your kids need tablets. I know mine, goodness gracious, tablet is the center of attention. Here's an Amazon Kids entertainment device bundle. Let's see what all this includes here. Something Disney. I'm not quite sure what we're looking at here. This is it's the Echo. This comes with an Echo Pop Kids, the Disney Princess Edition. This is a great deal here. 55% off, usually $200. You're going to get this for $89.99. So if you've got kids, especially little girls, there you go. Pretty good deal there. They've also got the Amazon Fire HD Kids Pro tablet here, 54% off. We'll take a look at the price point on that. $64.99, y'all. That is a heck of a deal. Maybe you're looking for an early Christmas present for a kid or a grandchild or a niece, nephew, something like that. This is a great deal here, folks. Great deal, $64.99 for the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro tablet. And they do have multiple different colors for you to choose from. You got the Hello Teal, you got the Jungle Cat, you've got the Marvel Avengers, which is a red. And then, let's see here, that is Discovery. So pretty cool stuff there. Go check it out. Let's see here. Got a Ring alarm system available. Numerous Ring products here. Blink and Ring are really bringing in the heat for this Amazon Prime Day that's coming up here. We've got another Amazon Kids device bundle here for 50% or 53% off. Let's see here. What else we got? We've got a Fire Stick HD with a Luna controller. So this is going to bring in some video games for you here. $52.98. That's a little over 50%. Actually, that's right at 50% off. $52.98 right there available as well. Amazon Fire HD 8. This is just the standard tablet, not the kids edition. $74.99. Moving on, let's see what else we got here. Amazon Echo frames. These are smart glasses, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty cool stuff. I'm just going to scroll through here and see what we can see what these do. Smart glasses with Alexa Plus early access. Rectangle frames in black with blue light filtering. The blue light filtering is quite important, folks. You just want to be cautious, or you don't want to. Too much blue light will mess with your eyes. But these also have a speaker built into them. So really cool stuff. You can get these for $119 through Amazon Prime deal days. Got the Amazon Echo Buds. You got two different ones. You got 68% off and 71% off. What else here? Boy, they're ring and blank. Goodness gracious. How about a TV? 55-inch Toshiba C350 monitor is a smart 4K. It does have a voice remote with Alexa. 50% off. You're going to get this for $200, folks. Normally $400. $199. Great deal here. We can also look at some other size differences here. Here's a 65-inch for 43% off, $299. Regularly $529. And I said I'd keep it to 50% off or above, but while we're on the TVs, I'll let you take a good look here. Here's 45% off on the 75-inch model. You're going to get that for $400, regularly $729. And then finally, the 85-inch model. Don't have a price on it, but it says one option from $599. Apparently, you do have to contact Amazon support in order to see that price. Amazon smart plugs, you ham radio operators, you'll need this if you want to work remote operations. 52% off on those. Scrolling on down here, that's really quite a bit of about it. Ham radio, folks, I'm just not seeing anything that jumps out to me about ham radio equipment. So that is what it is. Now, here's the deal, folks. In order to access these special deals, you're going to need to have Amazon Prime. You'll find a link down in the description down below to subscribe to Amazon Prime. And let me tell you something. My family's been using Amazon Prime for many years now, and it is very, very valuable. You get free shipping, and it says Whitney, my wife, runs the account on Amazon, but you get free shipping on things. You get access to Amazon Prime Video, which NASCAR fans, some NASCAR races have now been on Amazon Prime Video. There's more and more sports on Amazon Prime. I know the NFL is on Prime now. You know, that makes it worth it enough. Amazon Prime is not expensive, folks. It's a really good deal. If you can get it, get it. I highly suggest it. In order to get all of the Amazon Prime deal day specials, you do need a Prime subscription. Free shipping. That makes it all well worth it. I promise you. You will not regret getting Amazon Prime. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below if you haven't already as well. I will keep an eye out to see if any more Prime Deal Days pop up, and if they do, I will post. Guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the sale. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.